yesterday you saw me dig the holes, and this is the holes. They're about 12 inches deep, which is very big. We've got 18 of these holes, which are going to be the foundations to support the workshop. So now my mic is working and it actually doesn't sound too good. I think this is going to turn out really well. So I'm now going to take you a step by step on what we're doing for the foundations, and hopefully today we might be able to get the base on. Take a look. See, what we need to do, we've got this hole here, so we just got to take it all out, and then we're going to put some concrete in the bottom. What that's going to do is level out and give a concrete base for the post to go on, because otherwise if it goes straight onto soil, the moisture could go up into the post and then rot it from the inside, so they won't last so long. So this way got a bit of a hard bottom, so to speak. And this is the last one. So there we have it. All the bit of a, yeah, they've all got a bit of post concrete at the bottom, and now all I've got to do is put the little bit of water in each one. So now what I've got to do, clear all this and make a cutting station just here, so I can get all the wood cut for the base. That's for another video. So that is the new workshop. Hopefully in 4 days' time. Don't forget, when working any power tools, ensure you use these safety glasses and follow the safety instructions. And most of all, plug it in. So this bit's pretty simple. I'll cut the end parts of the first part of the workshop, and hopefully these little noggins will space them out quite nicely, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so this is now the footprint. That's how big it's going to be. Now this bit, that little bit there from where this strut goes, that will be the garden shed, and then this entire, this is 6 foot by 12 foot, will be the workshop. So what we've got to do now, transfer this over to here so I can get the foundation struts in place, get them cemented in, and then hopefully that'll all square up and then we can get that put on. Hopefully on by the end of today. Right, so we've got to get it level and get the posts in. So I've done a couple. That's what we've got to do. I've managed to get it level. So when you look at it like this, it's level. So got to get that bit level to this. This is all level around. 22 holes. Yeah. Let's get it. Right, so after a shower and something to eat, I finally finished. So as you can see, all the posts are cemented in. It's all level, and this is going to be how big it is. Bit across there will be the workshop and a little bit of a garden. I'm knackered, so I'm going to go to bed, but tomorrow we'll get the floor on, we'll get the back sides done, and this is going to be the walls. So that's the thing for tomorrow. Thanks for watching.